Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we will teach you how to use the StringReplaceAll function, which is used to replace specific text. Now, for this video, we'll show how to change the report amount's English currency word from cents to sen. Let's get started. Before that, let me give you a simple example to help you understand how it works. As you can see, the report currently displays the text Hello World, and we'll try to replace the word world with 𝐂𝐤𝐿. This is the formula we'll use based on its definition. S represents the string, which is your text data. In this case, the string is Hello World. The old pattern is the word you want to replace, and here it's world, as we want to change world to something else like 𝐂𝐤𝐿. The new pattern is the new word you want to replace, which in this example is 𝐂𝐤𝐿. Lastly, ignore case will be either true or false. True is case insensitive, meaning it won't differentiate between uppercase and lowercase letters. False will be case sensitive, in this case we set it to true. Once everything is set, right-click and select Compile to check for errors and ensure accuracy. After all is done, press OK to save. Thus, you can see in the report that the Hello World has been changed to Hello 𝐂𝐤𝐿. Now, let's move on to today's main topic, replacing English currency words from cents to sen using the same concept as the earlier example. First, right-click on Variable 1 and select Calculations. Type StringReplaceAll in front of the currency to lang word formula, then open the bracket. Next, after currency to lang word, remove the semicolon, since it marks the end of a formula, optional, and replace it with a comma. Then, enter the old pattern you want to change, which in this case is cents, followed by a comma. Next, enter the new pattern, which is sen, followed by another comma, then type true. Finally, close the bracket and end with a semicolon. As you can see in the report, the word sen has successfully replaced the original cents in the description. And that's it. You've successfully edited the replace string function. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest video, follow our Facebook for the latest update, go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.